Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bank Robber with another video. So, today what we're going to go over is how to break down the charts from the monthly to the 4 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, etc. But before we do that, I have an announcement to make. Um, we are doing a giveaway. When I say we, it's me and my partner. So, if you want to enter the giveaway, you first have to follow or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you have to like this video. You have to follow us on Instagram and then join the Discord. When you do that, just comment done under this video, and the first 5 people will be, um, or not the first 5 people, we'll randomly pick 5 people, and you will get 1 month of free signals that we provide for you guys. Very important, um, very easy money actually. So this is a pop-up giveaway, no announcements. You can only notice or enter by watching this video. So let's get into the real sauce. So you guys know I'm a big fan of GBPJPY. It's the only thing I trade. But what's important to know on GBPJPY? Like how do you get ahead of the curve? Well, you have to learn how to write the story. If you learn how to write your story, when trading gets way simpler. But this time frame here, guys, the monthly time frame, if you have pro or premium, you could take it to the 3 months time frame. These time frames give you such an edge, it's ridiculous. Sometimes, like I'm not gonna lie, last month I took some losses with this candle, which I will shortly explain as well. Sometimes you take losses following the monthly, but it's fine. So, how do you tie this together? If you know what this does, then you know you're actually ahead of the game. Sorry. So let's break it down. We are on the monthly time frame. Last month's candle engulfed 2 candles to the downside, and this month's candle, with 3 days left to close, engulfed straight to the upside, breaking this area right here. Now, what's important to note is we have this line right here. Let me make this black. We have this monthly resistance. Is it safe to take a short from there? Well, monthly resistance, I don't see an issue. I really don't. It's a strong zone. You're going to get the least 100 pip move if you short it and time it right. Very important is timing. Now, how do you know that the monthly is going to come up to here? Well, look at this monthly candle. Very strong bullish candle, right? Very strong. So most likely we're going to head into this area right here. This is where the money's at. I'm not that much of a liquidity trader. I don't pay attention to that, but hey, it is what it is. So, same thing on the weekly time frame. What do you see right here? Another resistance. It's a big cluster. So yeah, not bad shorting it. But now, how do you tie this story? Like how do you go from the monthly to the weekly? Pay attention. If you know how to do this, you will be way on your way to being profitable in Forex. What does the monthly candle need to do in 3 days before even continuing up to this black line? This black line is about 630 pips away, so plenty of range to play with in here. Plenty, right? What do you think it needs to do, right? The monthly candle, imagine this monthly candle closes, or it's already closed, and let's say tomorrow, Monday, our session starts again. What does the monthly candle need to do? The monthly candle needs to create a bottom wick to continue up, right? That's very obvious. We don't know how big it is, how big the monthly candle is going to be, or we don't know how small. It could just open, make a very small bottom wick, and continue. We don't know that. But it's always good and important to anticipate stuff like this. That's why I like to go down to the monthly, or sorry, to the weekly time frame and then break it down from the daily. What do we have here? 3 weeks of bullish action, right? No pullbacks. And then you have what right here? Why do you guys think I was shorting? Well, I took a short. Sadly, it got stopped at break even, but I collected 140 pips. So you know, who's complaining? Why do you think this weekly candle closed like this? Well, because we have 3 days left on the monthly time frame. This weekly closed doji, so the potentially we might see a push up this week, not being able to break above last week's candle, and then we might see a body down just to come somewhere into this area, reject, and continue bullish for the monthly bottom wick. Do you see what I mean when you start writing a story before your market even starts, or when it's before it's even open? You start writing a story, you start mapping it out. Then you look on a daily, and then you see a support that's being formed right here. So we might just come into this area, tap, and then continue. So it's very, very, very important to pay attention. On the daily, again, at the resistance, rejected two times. This candle's a baby rejection. So let's see to where we want to go to. Now you break it down on the 4 hour, and here you have more structure to play with. So let's say, for example, we have this support right here at the respected a couple times. What if we break down? Where could we go to? Well, you have this whole area, right? If you want to learn how we mark up our zones, join the Discord and go from there, right? I won't go into detail about that, but what I'm trying to tell you is pay attention to what could happen this week. Or we could blast and continue, or we could consolidate a little bit longer, see some correction to maybe this area, to then see continuous push up. Maybe even here or here, who knows, right? It's the monthly candle that we have to wait for. That's the engine of the market. If you understand that, then your probability of winning trades will go up, and you'll start being way more patient because you know what you're actually waiting for, right? So then you go down. Actually, you don't have to go down anymore. The only two time frames that you need to go down to is your 30-minute and the 15-minute. Once it gets into an area of interest where you could potentially look for a engulfing candle or a doji candle with an engulfing, you never know what you see. So it's very, very important to stay away from the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, unless that's in your plan, right? I only like to stay on the 4 hour, and I like to get on the 15 and the 30-minute when I'm entering a trade to look for price, see what it does. Is it rejecting? You have to ask yourself all these questions when you get into the zone. Once you get into the zone, you work. Now you don't work. If it's not in your zone, you don't work. You just wait, set an alarm, and that's it. C'est la vie, right? So, very quick, effective video for you guys. 7 minutes, not bad. So again, if you want to enter the giveaway, follow my partners and I's Instagram, join our Discord, like and comment on the video, um, and yeah, we will pick 5 people for 1 month of free signals. Trust me, you're gonna make your money. Trust me. So that's the giveaway. When you're finished, comment done, like the video. Obviously, I will check, right? And then if you win, you win. It's random. We don't know when we're gonna release when we're gonna actually be doing the giveaway. Probably the start of the month, right? But it's your boy Bank Robber. Thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, have a beautiful trading week. Peace.